Understanding won't break the bank. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase, won't break the bank. This idiom is commonly used in everyday conversations, and understanding it can really enhance your English fluency. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and look at some examples to help you get comfortable with this expression. Won't break the bank is an idiom that means something will not cost a lot of money. It suggests that buying something or spending money on a service is affordable and won't deplete your savings. This phrase is often used to reassure someone that a purchase is reasonable and within their budget. While the exact origin of won't break the bank is unclear, it's rooted in the concept of a bank being a place where money is stored. In this context, breaking the bank would mean draining all the money stored there. So, when we say something won't break the bank, we're essentially saying it won't empty our financial reserves. You can use this phrase when talking about purchases, investments, or any situation involving spending money. It's particularly useful in conversations about budgeting, shopping, or planning activities. For example, I want to buy a new laptop that won't break the bank. Looking for a restaurant for our anniversary dinner, but it has to be something that won't break the bank. Let's look at some dialogue examples to see how won't break the bank is used in everyday conversations. Person A, can we afford to go out for dinner tonight? Person B, yes, we can find a place that won't break the bank. Person A, I need a new dress for the party but I'm on a tight budget. Person B, don't worry. There are plenty of stores where you can find something nice that won't break the bank. And there you have it. Understanding and using the phrase, won't break the bank, can make your English sound more natural and fluent. It's a useful expression for talking about affordability and budgeting, without getting into specific numbers. I hope this video helps you feel more comfortable using it in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.